Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the world's most widely used data analysis and visualization tool. Developed by Microsoft and first released in 1985, it started as a simple spreadsheet application but has grown into one of the most important tools for working with data. Excel allows users to organize information, perform calculations, and create charts such as bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs within minutes. It's used almost everywhere, from schools and small businesses to banks and multinational companies. Whether you're tracking expenses, analyzing sales, or creating reports, Excel is often the first tool people learn. Its biggest strength is simplicity. Most people can start using Excel without any programming knowledge, making it the foundation for many careers in finance, business, and data analysis. However, Excel also has its limitations. As datasets become larger, performance starts to slow down, and building interactive dashboards for large organizations becomes difficult. That's why businesses eventually move to more advanced business intelligence tools. One of the most popular is Microsoft's own platform, Power BI. Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence platform, introduced in 2015 to help organizations turn large amounts of data into interactive dashboards and reports. Unlike Excel, which mainly works with spreadsheets, Power BI can connect to databases, cloud services, and multiple data sources at the same time. It automatically updates reports whenever new information arrives, allowing businesses to monitor sales, revenue, customer behavior, and company performance in real time. Its biggest advantage is its seamless integration with Microsoft products like Excel, SQL Server, and Azure, making it one of the most widely used BI tools in the corporate world. The downside is that Power BI has a steeper learning curve. Beginners often need time to understand concepts like data modeling and DAX formulas, while some advanced collaboration features require paid licenses. Even so, Power BI remains one of the industry's leading analytics platforms. But Microsoft isn't the only company specializing in data visualization. Tableau is one of the world's most popular enterprise data visualization tools. Released in 2003, it was designed to help people understand data through interactive charts and dashboards instead of complex spreadsheets. Its drag-and-drop interface allows users to build professional visualizations without writing much code, making it a favorite among business analysts and data scientists. Tableau is widely used for sales reporting, financial analysis, customer analytics, and executive dashboards. One of Tableau's greatest strengths is the quality of its visualizations, but that comes at a cost. Its licensing can be expensive for individuals and small businesses. Still, Tableau remains one of the most trusted visualization platforms used by organizations around the world. But not every company wants an expensive enterprise solution. Some simply need a free dashboard tool built for the web. That's where Google Looker Studio comes in. Looker Studio. Looker Studio is Google's free data visualization and reporting platform. Originally launched as Google Data Studio, it was designed to help users turn raw data into interactive dashboards that can be shared with anyone through a web browser. Its biggest advantage is how easily it connects with Google's own services. You can import data from Google Analytics, Google Ads, Search Console, YouTube, and even BigQuery to create real-time reports without manually updating spreadsheets. Because it's free and cloud-based, Looker Studio has become a popular choice for marketers, website owners, and small businesses that need simple dashboards without paying for expensive software. However, it does have some limitations. Compared to enterprise tools like Power BI and Tableau, Looker Studio offers fewer advanced analytics features and may struggle with very large or complex datasets. Still, for many users, it's one of the easiest ways to visualize online business data, but some organizations need much deeper analysis than traditional dashboards can provide. Qlik Sense. Qlik Sense is an enterprise business intelligence platform developed by Qlik. Unlike many visualization tools that only display data, Qlik Sense is designed to help users discover hidden relationships between different datasets. Its most unique feature is its associative analytics engine. Instead of following fixed filters, users can freely explore data from different angles and uncover patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Large organizations use Qlik Sense for financial reporting, sales analysis, supply chain management, and business planning because it can handle massive amounts of information while providing fast, interactive dashboards. The downside is that Qlik Sense can be more difficult to learn than other visualization tools, especially for beginners who are new to business intelligence software. Even so, it's widely trusted by enterprises that need advanced data exploration. But business intelligence isn't the only place where dashboards are important. Grafana is one of the world's most popular monitoring and visualization platforms. Instead of analyzing business reports, Grafana focuses on real-time system performance. It connects to servers, databases, cloud platforms, and monitoring tools to display live information such as CPU usage, memory consumption, network traffic, application performance, and system health. Because of this, Grafana has become an industry standard for DevOps engineers, system administrators, and cloud professionals who need to monitor thousands of systems at once. Its dashboards update in real time, allowing teams to detect problems before they affect users. However, Grafana isn't designed for traditional business reporting. While it's excellent for monitoring infrastructure, it lacks many of the business analytics features found in Power BI or Tableau. Even so, when it comes to keeping modern applications and cloud systems running smoothly, Grafana remains one of the most widely used visualization platforms. But not every organization wants expensive commercial software. Some prefer powerful open-source solutions they can host themselves. That's where Apache Superset comes in. Apache Superset is a free and open-source business intelligence platform originally created by Airbnb. It allows organizations to build interactive dashboards, create charts, and analyze large datasets directly from SQL databases. Unlike many commercial BI tools, Superset can be hosted on your own servers, giving companies complete control over their data while avoiding expensive licensing costs. Because of this, it's widely used by engineering teams, startups, and organizations that prefer open-source software. However, Superset isn't as beginner-friendly as tools like Power BI or Tableau. Setting it up often requires technical knowledge, making it a better choice for developers than everyday business users. But what if you need complete control over your visualizations? D3.js is a JavaScript library for creating fully custom and interactive data visualizations. Instead of providing ready-made charts, it gives developers complete control over every element on the screen. This flexibility allows companies to build everything from animated graphs and interactive maps to complex visualizations used by news organizations, research institutions, and modern web applications. The trade-off is that D3.js requires programming knowledge, making it one of the most powerful but also one of the most difficult visualization tools to learn. Every tool in this video solves a different problem. Excel is perfect for everyday analysis. Power BI and Tableau dominate business intelligence. Looker Studio simplifies online reporting. Qlik Sense focuses on enterprise analytics. Grafana monitors live systems. Apache Superset brings open source BEI, and D3.js gives developers unlimited creative freedom. The best visualization tool isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that best fits your data and your needs.